We will check that later. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're having our tour. We're here at Astoria Hotel. Hello. So, we're lucky enough to have our own tour. Just the three of us. There are many people who's having their tour, but ours is a special one. Hello, everybody. So ano lahat dito ng facility pwede nang gamitin? So kami hindi kami check-in eh. Day to, ano lang kami, day tour. Pwede pa rin. Okay. All right. Want to play that tonight? Oh, they have a boat. So, diyan po sa taas, diyan po yung recreation. Diyan po yung billiard. So, ano ang may-ari ng Asturias? Pilipino o? Filipino-Chinese pa rin. Hindi nyo pa namimit? Hindi talaga nagpakita, ha? Pero talaga prior to your acceptance dito, talagang sinasabing kailangan maging polite kayo, di ba? Yeah, that's a big deal. Nabawasan na kami. Konti na lang kami. Thank you so much. Yes. Ano naman yung building na yun sa likod? Parang asarap umupo lang yung doing nothing here. Parang dito ako magpapaiwan ngayon, ah. Wala na.
Kanya-kanya na lang tayo.
Yung reserve po.
The pod. Oh. Ito, masayang Wala eh. O, dito na tayo magpaiwan. Gusto nyo? O, akyat kayo? Iwan na raw ako. Sige, bye-bye. Habang nagaganyan. Iwan na. Pwede mo na akong iwan. Okay. Yung orange ko! Wait! Nalaglag. That's it. Bye. So I'll find my way here. I'm gonna be sitting and be quiet all by myself. I wanna be. So, goodbye for now, peoples. I'll be sitting here peacefully. Bye. Goodbye.